Welcome to another episode of my video blog. Folks, once again we're going to delve into the area of drugs and drug crimes, and I want to touch on a couple things. There are times when professionals could be charged with a crime of stealing drugs. Oftentimes I see this with managers in a large business such as Rite Aid or Walgreens, or pharmacists who are in charge of controlled or scheduled drugs, or pharmaceutical techs, whomever it may be. Sometimes there are problems with counting these drugs, and instead of putting these drugs down as lost, these individuals are accused of stealing drugs. Oftentimes the evidence is extremely weak, and we've touched on this in other videos before about the need of a polygrapher. In cases like this, when you've been accused of stealing drugs from, let's say, a pharmacy, and you're a manager or a pharmacist or a pharmaceutical tech, whomever you may be, and you come in contact regularly with those scheduled drugs and you've been accused of stealing them, it's really to your benefit to get involved with a polygrapher that we would get to give you the polygraph test. And the reason for that is if you pass our polygraph, then we would have you potentially polygraphed by the Maine State Police. If you pass both those polygraphs, that's something that we want to be able to present to the DA as evidence of your innocence, not guilt. And that can be very powerful and persuasive evidence when you have two separate polygraphs. Of course, we have to go into the assumption that you did not take a single pill or any of the drugs. But again, these charges can be quite common, and the underpinnings of the charges, i.e. the evidence, may be fairly weak. So stealing drugs, whether it's 30 pills or 3,000 pills, is a felony offense, and it can have far-lasting repercussions on your future. If you are convicted of a felony drug crime, or any felony for that matter, your ability to work in your chosen field in the future is doubtful at best. So if you've been charged with the crime of stealing prescription medications, i.e. stealing drugs, please pick up the phone. Do not answer any questions with law enforcement without an attorney present, and call my office. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.